This is a short video about XK8 engine and body mounts on the front crossmember. This is basically the engine mount from the XK8. It's basically 20 years old. As you can see here, it's all cracked and it's basically past its sell-by date. Here's a brand new one. These are about £50. There's two of these per. The actual body mount for the front crossmember has a similar problem. You can see here all the aluminium has started to corrode, and it's actually parted company with a rubber. This is a new one. It's all solid. So if you've got an XK8 you're looking to purchase and the engine maybe is moving as you're revving up, it's not just because it's a V8, it's because all these things are shot. You're looking about £50 each. So look, there you got about £200 in engine mounts. So please beware. Be aware that these things do go. It's nothing to do with the car. It's probably just down to age. These things don't last forever. So if you're picking up a 20-year-old car, please beware. These things are going to need doing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.